Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing the Ipega Red Knight. This is a Bluetooth controller for most Android and iPhone devices, also including tablets as well. So we're just going to have a quick look around the box and then we'll unbox it and I'll give you my feedback on how this has been. So as you can see, this is the Ipega. This is the upgraded edition. As you can see in the image, you have two Joy-Cons, you have a home button, and you have your 4 buttons there, and you have your arrows going up and down, and you have the Ipega boost button at the bottom, and you have your select and start. So this is the Red Knight. This is the retractable controller, so it does go quite wide. So let's just quickly look around the rest of the box. So at the top you have nothing, just a bit of Chinese writing, and it says 25 years of gaming accessories. On the other side you just have the barcode. So this is the PAG0019B. Again, this is made in China. Other side just gives you an image of how it looks when you open it up. At the bottom, just again, you have nothing there. And then at the top, at the back, it just shows you how it retracts, but they've stuck a label in front of that. So let's just quickly open it up. So I ordered this from Amazon. I ordered it for next day. The price varies. If you get it on eBay, you can get it anywhere from £15. On Amazon for next day, I got it for £20.99. I needed this before I flew on a long trip. But yeah, so let's just quickly open it up. So once you open it, you get inside the box. Move the box to one side. So what you get is a little accessory box. So let's just quickly look at that. When you open it up, you'll get the charging cable. They don't give you a power supply, so they don't give you a plug, but it's a USB charging cable. It's a standard one. It's not a Type-C, as this is quite old now. And you also get a strap. So the strap goes into the bottom of the controller, which is quite good if you're using it for travel and you want to just hang it off your hands. But yeah, so you get those two there. Other than that, you get the controller and a manual. So at the bottom there's a manual explaining how to set it up. You get it in English and either Chinese or Korean. But yeah, so that's the manual. Let's go straight into the controller. So here's the controller itself. Here's the two analogs. They feel quite nice. They have nice tactile buttons. You got your start and your select at the bottom. You have your home button. You have your Y, B, A, X. And you have your arrows up and down, left and right. And this here is the boost button. If you press that while gaming, you boost the speed of movement and everything else. And at the bottom you have your R1, R2, L1, L2. So this is compatible with most old school gaming emulators, including PSP, PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, Nintendo and SNES, and so many other more games as well. So to fit a phone in, all you would do is you will pull and keep on pulling. As you can see, it does go quite wide. It fits my iPad Air 2 in here, facing portrait way. When you're sliding your phone in, easiest thing to do is slide it in one way, and then as you push it against one side, you pull and then connect in. I'll just quickly show you how to do that. So I'm going to show you with the brand new iPhone 11. As you can see, it's got a screen protector. I'll be doing an updated video on this, guys, if you're interested. Some picture qualities and some accessories that I've got for this phone. So all you would do, even with a case, you just push it against and then pull back one side and then make sure it's aligned in, and there you have it. As you can see, It works pretty well. It connects to most phones. It connects to my Note, my Samsung S10. But yeah, so once you've put it on, you need to turn your Bluetooth pairing mode on your phone. There's a power switch at the bottom. See if I can focus it. So there's your charging port and there's your power switch. So once you turn this on, you need to press the home button and hold that, and then you'll see the lights come up. Hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and you'll get into Bluetooth pairing mode. Once you've connected to Bluetooth, you can use this to go through your phone options, or once you've bootloaded a game, you can just straight go into the game. This doesn't come with an app to allow you to adjust the software of the control buttons on the games, but it works with most games anyway. I haven't tried it with PUBG or anything like that, but I have tried it on PSP games mainly, and SNES and Nintendo games, and it worked perfectly fine. So guys, if you lot are interested in watching some sample clips of games that I've played on this, let me know in the comments. Please like, subscribe. Peace out, guys.